The partner donkey calf raise is an exercise that primarily targets the gastrocnemius, which is the larger and more prominent muscle of the calf. You'll need a workout partner to sit on your lower back for this exercise to add extra resistance. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand with your toes firmly planted onto the edge of a sturdy platform such as a thick weight plate or step with your heels hanging off the edge. Bend over and hold onto a stable surface such as a bench or high step for balance and support. With your core contracted to protect your lower back, have your partner step up onto the bench, then carefully sit on your lower back, ensuring their weight is centered. Your partner should maintain a stable, balanced posture with their feet off the ground. Ensure they are stable and comfortable throughout the exercise. Slowly lower your heels below the level of the platform, stretching your calves fully while keeping your knees slightly bent but stable. Exhale as you push through the balls of your feet to rise up as high as possible on your toes while pausing for a brief moment at the top to contract your calf muscles. Inhale, then under control, slowly lower your heels back down in a controlled manner to the starting position to feel a good stretch. Repeat for reps. After you complete all the reps, step off the weight plates and bend down to let your partner off. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.